Okay. This is the inferior vena cava coming down from the heart. First one you get coming off of it is adrenolumbar, which connects to the adrenal gland. Coming down from that, you have the renal, which connects to the kidneys. Off of the left renal, you have the left genital, and down from the kidney on the right side, you have the right genital. Going farther down, you have the iliolumbar on either side, and then it branches into the common iliac. Further down, it dives into the internal iliac and external iliac. Then farther down, you have the deep femoral and the femoral. Alright, coming.
Identify the nerves too.
Okay. First of all, you have the phrenic nerve coming down and innervating the diaphragm, and then the vagus nerve comes into the heart. At the moment, I can't find it.
It's attached to the common carotid.
This right here? Okay. You have the vagus nerve coming down from the common carotid, goes under into the heart. Okay, coming up from the heart, you have the superior vena cava. Right here, you have the internal mammary, and the azygos is this one right here. Yeah. It branches to the brachiocephalic. The brachiocephalic then goes into the external jugular and the subclavian. The external jugular comes up, and you have the transverse jugular right here. And over here you have the transverse scapular. Coming back down to the subclavian, it goes into the axillary and the subscapular. Subscapular is right there. The axillary comes down here, becoming the brachial, and then around the arm it becomes the cephalic, coming back and connecting to the transverse scapular up here. It's hard to see on this cat. It may not be there, but around the subclavian you have another vein coming off, which is called the vertebral.